Welcome to our series, Ask a Heidolph Rep, where we answer your questions about our equipment. My name is Allison Shellhammer, and the question of the week is, how often should I thoroughly clean my Hei-Vap? We recommend that you thoroughly clean your entire system on an annual basis. This will include your water bath, your chiller, your pump, your glassware, as well as the evaporator itself. In addition to an annual thorough cleaning, we also recommend that on a weekly basis you disconnect your pump from the entire system and then allow the pump to run for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure that the system is completely dried out. You can also do a solvent-only cycle in between runs to remove any particulates or residue left over. Both of these things will help make sure that your pump and your evaporator have the longevity that you desire. If you would like a more detailed step-by-step procedure on our recommendations for an annual cleaning, please reach out to your local Heidolph solution specialist. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Ask a Heidolph Rep. We'd love to answer your question in a future video. Please submit them to hello@heidolph.com or find us on social media on LinkedIn and Twitter at HeidolphNA. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.